are off. Exploration Part 2. 2024. We are in Bécamo. We are heading towards Tadoussac. Our first stop of the day is getting gas. He went on the X. And take off. Okay, we are now in Forestville. We are headed towards Tadoussac. We need to catch the ferry before it leaves. Damn, it really goes far. Ouais. Mais c'est bon de...
Ouais. Il y a beaucoup de motos.
Ok, ouais, c'est cap. Found a little area to hang out in while I wait for the ferry. You probably can't see my bike, but it's all the way over there with all the other bikers. There's around, I don't know, 50 other motorcycles here, at least 50 to 60, and that's just right now. Once the ferry starts boarding, I'm sure there's going to be, you know, twice as many. Right now in Quebec, it's the huge regrouping of the big motorcycle club in Quebec, and they all did some major ride all the way to Havre-Saint-Pierre. But here we are. now on the boat, going up the stairs. Tight squeeze. Inside here.
Your attention please, all passenger, please obtain your ticket for the crossing at the Yellowstone near the restaurant. Thank you. Have a nice crossing.
Okay, I'm on my final leg of the journey, about 50 kilometers away from Saint-Cyril, and that's where I'm staying for the night.